When you're going out to climb over rocks and stuff, price shouldn't add yet another obstacle. That's why we created the affordable Kelty Trailhead Kit, to get you out with minimal fuss and maximum fun. The first half of our beginner's backpacking kit is a rugged, reliable mummy bag. Rated to 30 degrees with a silky poly shell and a cozy cloud loft insulation, it's perfect for chilly nights on the trail. Pair your wilderness wingman with its mate, a self-inflating sleeping pad for a soft landing after your day on the trail. And when it's time to haul out, both the bag and pad stow neatly in its shared stuff sack. The Trailhead Kit by Kelty. Better together than your backcountry PB&J.